really quickly, let me show you guys my lazy girl wig, and this one is really truly lazy. Okay, so I know you guys been hearing about the headband wig, and pretty much it's a wig, like it's like a half wig, but in the front there's fabric that's sewed onto it, and it looks like a headband when you put it on, and I think that was really cool. So Curly Me, this came from Curly Me hair, and I showed you guys the wig, and I'm gonna show you a short clip of how it looked when it first came. Anyway, I put my hair in like this little bun thing because we want the front part to be kind of out because we're gonna do baby hairs and stuff. But this is the box. Okay, it looks like this. It's from Curly Me hair. All right, in the back, you know, their information and stuff. And when you open it, it's you know, their information again. And also they send you Wig Cap, which has 2 in it, and make lashes. Okay, so these ones are kind of big. I don't know if you guys could see them, but yeah. Another thing, in this little pin flick thing, of course it says Curly Me, and also the back of it gives you like a code where in your next order you could get $5 off. $5 off and free gifts. And on this side it tells you the hair care tips for curly, straight, and sometimes, you know, common things you could do to make your wig last longer. So I think that's pretty cool. I forgot to show you, since this is a headband wig, they also sent you 5 different colors of headband, which I'm going to put on and try on for you guys throughout the video. But one of them is like a cheetah leopard print. The other one it's pink. It has flowers on it. This one also has flowers on it, but it's more so like a greenish orangish color. That one is a plain black with is it black? Yeah, plain black with white. And lastly we have one that's blue and white. Okay, so let me go and show you guys exactly what I do, which is literally takes me like 2 minutes to do. A little mirror to make sure you can see your edges, and I don't even do crazy edges. And I use this Cream of Nature's Perfect Edge Control, and you don't have to use this one if you don't want to, but I like to use it. I love the smell of it. And here I'm just applying it on my edges. I sprayed my little edge brush, but I'm using a toothbrush, and I'm just kind of doing some baby hairs. That's it, nothing crazy. Next thing we're going to do is take the wig cap, okay, we're taking the wig cap and we are placing it on our head. This is literally lazy girl approved. So then it comes with this thing, right, that opens like this. There's 4 combs in it, 1 here, 2 here, and 1 in the back. So I like to take it from the back and push it in first. Okay, so while it's flipped, I take the 2 little headband section and I attach it. I think it's pretty tight and secure on my head that I don't need to go with the pins. I said pins, the clips, but for the sake of this video, I just want to show you guys. So I placed one, and these are the two that I think I always use. I never really use the top one because it's hard to find it. But yeah, so it's in my hair right now. So I have this on, just like this. So we have the wig on. Okay, we don't have to do anything if we don't want to. Like, you can see the back of it. We really don't have to do anything. Like, you could call it a day. The wig is done. Sometimes I like to take the spray and, like, you know, spritz it so that the curls could look fresh or something, and I'll show you. Especially for the ends, that's really the parts. Really, right now, I'm actually kind of honestly done with this whole, you know, wig situation. You can see it looks cute, right? So now we're gonna go and I'm gonna try on every single one of these headbands for you guys, and you guys will let me know. First headband, you know. Second headband is just the black, you know. It's not bad at all, actually, you know. This one right here. You could wear it like this. You could also take this and put it in like a ponytail. I actually like this one. I think I want to wear that one today. Okay? Okay. So, really,